Hey guys, it's Farmer Brad here, and I just wanted to show you my winter setup. This is part of an old corn crib. I converted it into 2 chicken coops, so this is the winter setup. Over on this side are the juvenile birds and some of the hens that are less aggressive. And there's a little nest box over there. And then I have some bantams in here as well. So far that's working pretty well. Now here I threw together a 5-gallon chicken water bucket, and inside of there it has a heated element, keep it from freezing. Then I just picked up one of these funnels, and I just use that to pour the water in real easily. And then I have a heated element down in there. Now eventually I'll tie this side into the mother of all chicken waters, but currently it's not hooked up to the other side where the water will be circulating. And then over here I got the older hens and roosters, and they're out of the weather. Now eventually I would like to punch a hole in the wall here and have a second run area, but this will do pretty well keeping them out of the weather and the elements. Over here is their roost bars and nest boxes. So this 5-gallon water is working pretty well, and I think most of the chicken drama is figured out as far as the pecking order goes. And I think the only rooster I have in here is Giddy Up. Giddy Up's a goofy rooster. Basically, he's the rooster that's been at the bottom of the totem pole, and even has lost out to some of these bantams. Like I think he's just a socially awkward rooster, but he'll do fine in here. Now behind here I have some insulation to just help with the cold blowing through the metal, and then I added these slanted sections so that the birds don't roost on there. Yeah, like just trying to figure out, like this little bantam rooster is giving Giddy Up a run for his money, but these are some of the adolescent ones that I'm sure some of them will end up being roosters, but didn't want them to have to compete with some of the larger roosters and hens over on the other side. Let me see if I can. Like, I've never seen hens and roosters so big. Well, thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.